needed. Some things I never thought I'd have, as if they are too hard to believe in. The moment I ever call them mine.
Okay, we are in a DVC studio, Lakeview, at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, room 1017. The tour begins now. Aloha, everyone. Just kidding. That is connecting door to a room where we do not know the folks. So that'll stay locked with a nice full mirror. Looks like some faux wood floors. The first restroom we come into with some barn or slider doors. Nice big door too, by the way. We have the little mermaids or Ariel or some pretty little mermaids right there, so they can give us something to look at, or not really look at, but admire while we're in the restroom. And this is a split bathroom. It's kind of like Disney Cruise Line. You have a bathtub and shower combo. Over here you have a beautiful light up mirror and a light switch, which I'm gonna get to right over here. There we go. Birds. Plenty of space, 2 drawers, wastebasket, and we got some H2O body lotion, which we love, and some hand soap, some washcloths, and some hand towels. Now we're making our way to the closet. It's an average closet with a safe, the laundry basket, extra blankets and pillows, and a few hangers. They need some more though. This does sleep 5, so they actually need way more hangers than that. They have about 8 hangers there. For a family of 5, that would hang only one person's stuff. Entryway door. The lighting, it still feels a little dark. So we are going to go over to the second bathroom. This is the one my husband is claiming. Stand up, beautiful rainfall shower. And another shower head, and I believe a wand. Let's see, is there a wand? Yeah, that becomes a wand. And we do have another backlit mirror. And some more vanity space. And sink, Kleenex, and a bar of soap, but not another tube of lotion. They do have the H2O products in the shower, affixed to the wall. Okay. Beautiful shower. Nice and spacious, and it does have a shaving ledge or a seat. Now we'll make our way over to the little kitchenette. This is a studio room, so it gives you a kitchenette. It does not have a washer or dryer, but there is one to use for DVC guests in the building. There is a water cooler or a beverage cooler. There is no freezer, even though that's pretty frozen back there. It feels rather cold, colder than the old fridges used to be here. Recycle bin and a wastebasket, little sink, full coffee coffee maker rather, and a 2 toaster. Let's see what we have. Okay, some microwavable dishes, I guess, coffee cups, soft drink cups, utensils, and paper towels, and I believe nothing's up here. Oopsie poopsie. Nothing is up there. Nice size microwave. All right, and we do have some dish soap, looks like a can opener and a little cute sponge. Okay, over here we have Disney's Joffrey's coffee. It is the resort blend and some cream tea, sweet and low, and stirs. Now we are going to come into the main room. We have the pull down bed for probably a 13-year-old and less than. We have a beautiful TV that says, "Welcome, Gostin family, Disney 100 for 100 years of the Walt Disney World Company." An ice bucket. And we do have a queen size bed. It does have 6 pillows, so it always makes it look real shallow or short, but it is a normal size queen bed. It just looks short because of the 6 pillows on it. You have a wall, I guess, sconce lights. I'm not a fan of the color of them, to be honest, but I don't own the place and have to live with it. Nice little picture on the wall. I dropped the temperature to 68. And you actually can bypass that and make it go lower, but it's all right, I'm not going to. 68 is good enough. There's another little wall light sconce, and you do have some USBs and an outlet. Remote control and a Murphy bed. And you just pull it down right where it's at. You would move this out of the way and pull that down with the couch there, and it'd be perfect. And that is about a queen size or full size. And then in here you can just lift this up, and I believe it has extra. Can you lift it up? Yeah. Well, it has nothing actually, it's more storage. And then right over here you have a beautiful table and mirror and a Menehune lamp. And they do sell these, I think, for about $200 in Boutique. And we do have one of these new, like Alexas, pretty much. Hey Disney, start the magic. Hey Disney, start the magic. Or not. I'll read about that later. Hubby's right there. Well, he just hid into the bathroom. This is a good view from the window of the entire room. And let me, ooh, this carpet is beautiful. Feels nice and clean. Oh, you see my husband's foot and his hat. All right, now we're gonna look at the view. Again, this is 1017, ground floor of the Moorea building. It is a DVC building. And this is our absolutely gorgeous view and our nice size, huge patio. We will have definitely a view of the fireworks. And I asked for 1015 or closest to it, and they gave me 1017. It could not be more perfect. They are very accommodating, so always ask. It never hurts to ask. All they can tell you is no.
Some things I never thought I needed. Some things I never thought I'd have. As if they are too hard to believe in. The moment I ever called them mine, I knew exactly what I was calling. I knew exactly what to say. There will be nothing to get over if I just let it slip away. So I guess I'll try. Yet another close call from my eyes. Some days I think of what I had then. Some days I want them again.
Lord, we are like the worst.